Welcome to our channel. Today we how to update drivers with Lenovo Vantage, full guide step by step clearly. Open your Lenovo device and ensure it is connected to the internet. Locate the Lenovo Vantage application on your computer. If you do not have Lenovo Vantage installed, visit the Microsoft Store to download it. Launch the Lenovo Vantage application by double-clicking its icon. Once the application opens, you will see the home screen displaying various options. Navigate to the System Updates section on the left sidebar. Click on System Update to proceed. Lenovo Vantage will automatically check for available driver updates for your device. You will see a list of pending updates if any are available. Review the list carefully to ensure you understand what updates are required. To initiate the update process, click on the Update button beside each driver. You may be prompted to agree to terms and conditions, read them and click Accept. The application will begin downloading the updates. Once the download is complete, the installation process will automatically start. If prompted, follow any on-screen instructions to complete the installation. After the installation, you may need to restart your device for changes to take effect. Once your computer reboots, open Lenovo Vantage again to verify the updates were successful. You can do this by returning to the System Updates section to ensure no further updates are available. If everything is up to date, your drivers are now successfully updated. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.